Have you ever looked at amoebas under a microscope? You look at one amoeba and suddenly that amoeba splits in half and becomes two amoebas. And then those two amoebas each split in half, and now there are four amoebas. Weird, right? It's a similar thing that happens with stocks. They can split in two or they can split in three. It's magical. Welcome to Accounting How To. I am your host, Carolyn Grimm, and my sidekick Terrence and I are here to put the fun in accounting fundamentals. So why would a corporation do a stock split? Let's say our fictional company, Terrence Inc., has 100,000 shares of stock, and the market price of that stock right now is $100 per share. Now, if you want to buy a share of Terrence Inc. stock, it will cost you $100. But Terrence Inc. isn't the only corporation in its industry. Its main competitor also has 100,000 shares of stock, but the market price of its stock is $60 per share. So if you're looking to buy shares in that industry, you might be more interested in purchasing $60 stocks rather than $100 stocks, all other things being equal. But if Terrence Inc. splits their shares in half, now they have 200,000 shares at a market price of $50 because the price splits when the stock splits. As an investor, this may make the stock more appealing to you. Now, what if you're already a shareholder in Terrence Inc., and who wouldn't want to be? What did that stock split do for you? If you previously had 100 shares of Terrence Inc. stock worth $100, a total of $10,000 market value, now you have 200 shares worth $50 for a total of $10,000 in market value. You have twice the number of shares, but your market value has stayed the same. But if the market price of your shares rises because it's now more affordable, it's more attractive to investors, then the value per share may increase more at $50 per share than it would have at $100 per share. Now, if the reason you're watching this video is because you're taking an accounting class, stock transactions can be really confusing. But do not worry, because Terrence and I have your back. We have done your homework for you. All you have to do is jump over to the Accounting How To website, and you will find step-by-step journal entries and explanations for everything you need to do in your accounting homework. I'll put the link in the description, but it's really easy to find because it's accountinghowto.com. Until next time, stay balanced, my friends.